Ninjani Maswati, silapha ePitori manje kule embassy yaseSwatini nehawu kule machene hawu let me switch the video manje sebasayini petition. We have all the political parties lala in South Africa sayinwa i-petition manje to deliver they are receiving the petition.
Can they sign it before they do? What's sign it? Yeah, I'll sign it. Okay, currently we are in Denver and over second name selectors for more than 20 years. Next time we shall go and get 7 days of Parama positive dramatics and as a strange in Benton. La Tiffany, I'm Sunuganyo. I'm sorry. I'm Sunuganyo. I'm sorry. I'm Sunuganyo. I'm Amanda, wait, we want to just allow announcements and we are going to then pass to a different areas because we know America also have other activities. Amanda, comrades for coming in here. Siyathi mo Sunday isikuphi Sunday Sembobela Sunday siyokwenda eMbombela siyovala ababulali siyovala the police team labathi police bathi Royal Leopards kanti FC so siyahamba siyobavala ma comrades event so asikusent imoto ma comrades sibongile kakhulu ma comrades nihambe kahle until we meet again. Over to you comrades.
Amanda, comrades, you know, every time comrades come in and say thank you, Nihau, thank you for such. You comrades are always telling us how to direct our solidarity to you. And Siabanguti, you're not giving us, making us think that is important or anything. You're giving us the potential to just be your comrades. Siabanguti, nimbambene nati askiski mkwana again. And you are with us in every space. So Nati will be there. We didn't know about Bombela, but we'll make sure our comrades are there in Bombela with you. And we are telling you, we're still going to continue with other things. Blockade is coming, comrades, and we'll send the necessary information, man. Sitting in all the in KwaZulu-Natal, Limpopo, and Mpumalanga, same day, working now, the whole time like leaders. So, Kumela Ganja, Sisonke Bakom, no Magunzima, no Mafuti, Pezul, so Banema border blockade. And it's better these things happen, Sonke Sikon. So, Kubea Sisonke Makom, Sabon, Muti Bencon, Amanda and Hambenga,
Africa. Yeah, come, leaders. Comrades, because it's South Africa. We are going to Hope crew. Whoa, so you call.
Nice.
Shy.
Pass the tongue go see it.
Oh, because
Africa. Maluba Yesu Bondolwayo Israeli Tandazo Yetu Kosi Sigelela Tina Lusapolwayo Morena Buluga Chama sa Yesu ufedise intwali matwenye Mungu sibuluke wosa moya oyingcwele Nkosi sikeleza thina usapho lwayo
Amandla
awethu
Njalo, njalo, njalo.
Wasatamatas na comrades D4 Litsia from Nehau South Africa. Comrade kunjani? Ngiyacela ukukhuluma namaswati la afuna kwathi ukuthi njengoba afa kangaka ingabe likhona ilithemba ukuthi inkululeko batayithola eSwatini.
Yes, comrades, there is hope. This is not for the first time we protest, and we are also hoping that the South African government itself knows the struggle of Swaziland people, because themselves they can also themselves traumatize themselves with the current situation. They know where they come from as South Africans. They know the issue of apartheid. They know how hard it was. Our forefathers, our fathers, they were sleeping, they were crossing the border through Swaziland. Those are the comrades that accommodated us during the very hard times. Now this is the time for South Africa to show solidarity. This is the time to say to South Africa, saying to Eswatini regime, we are removing you in South Africa. We are no longer going to house your parliament. We are no longer going to house your commissioners. So they must close these issues, these houses that they are sitting in. They must then close them as soon as today.
Comrade, they must close their houses as soon as today. Emaswati acabanga ukuthi South Africans are not with them, but today they know ukuthi you are behind them. Kunalo ukuthi comrade before ngithethe lo hamba emaswati yavile ukuthi athi ama comrade lana ukuthi awumenyetela ukuthi kuvalwa nini emaborder ukuthi 9 provinces of South Africa bavale konke lokungena eSwatini. Ungathi nje kuloko ukuthatha emaswati ukuthi kube kanilwe siyeta sima South Africans don't sit ukuthi sivale everything until mswati aniketele attention leni ifunako.
Yes, we are encouraging Swaziland to fight as hard as they can. They are going to get the support of the South Africans, even though the support will not come directly from the government, but the support will come from the people of South Africa. We are supporting them.
My comrade, uti comrade lana is support angeke ibuye kuhulumende wase South Africa, tawubuya kuma South Africans, because South Africans they know what you are feeling currently right now. Valelisa comrade, utshele maswati ukuthi qinani nilwe ngaphezulu.
Thank you very much, comrade. We are also going to assist the comrades to go to close the borders as soon as tomorrow, as they said, we are coming, comrades. We are going to assist you. Thank you very much.
Thank you. We have Chairperson.
Chairperson we-Gauteng Young Workers lo ufuna ukukhulumisana nemaswati. Comrade, emaswati acabanga ukuthi awodwa kule struggle. Yini lo ngabatshela kona nje ukuthi you as South Africans you are behind what is happening in Swaziland. Noma balinyazwa noma badutshulwa noma babulawa ninani as South Africans. What can you tell them as to Swazis?
On behalf of all COSATU young workers, not only in Gauteng but in the Republic of South Africa, we will continue to pledge our solidarity to the struggles of our people in Swaziland. More so because the struggle to liberate those people from Ingunda regime continues. And we take pride in our people in Swaziland for really waging a relentless fight. And we say, as young workers in the country of South Africa, we are saying our solidarity will continue with yourselves. We know the pains that our people in Swaziland are exposed to. We know the pains that our people are exposed to daily. And we are saying, as COSATU young workers, we join solidarity with yourselves. We demand the release of all political prisoners in Swaziland. We even demand the unbanning of all political parties, because indeed, South Africa cannot be free for as long as our people in Swaziland are still oppressed. And we are saying, as COSATU young workers, we want to cross those borders without fear of the Nkunda regime. And we are saying, as COSATU young workers, not only in Gauteng but across the Republic, across SADC as a region, will continue to wage a relentless fight to ensure that democracy becomes the order of the day in Swaziland.
but they will make sure that they do whatever it takes so that Swaziland ithole freedom. Ukuvalelisa nje ecabane ukukhuthatha eMaswati ukuthi akalwe nani niyetha eSouth Africans bangaphezi.
We are saying to our political allies in Swaziland, indeed, to win democracy in that country will demand us, at the most extreme, to even take arms and fight for the liberation of our people. And we are saying to the alliance components of all political parties in Swaziland, should you need hands, should you need volunteers to take up arms and fight that regime, we are prepared to die with you in Swaziland, and we are prepared to defend the democracy in that country.
Thank you very much. Thank you so much.
Thank you. We have Comrade Dineo.
Comrade Dineo from YCN. Comrade Dineo bingelele Maswati watshele ukuthi njengoba alwa nani behind wona.
Ama comrades ngiyasangibingelela nonke. Mina ngicomrade Dineo. Comrades nazi ukuthi sinani noma kanjani noma kunzima kanjani sinani. Sizibuhlungu manje izibuhlungu. Sojabula manje jabula. Okwamanje nathi sizibuhlungu sazi ukuthi manje nganancedo ngazinto zonke nathi siyahlupheka kakhulu because comrades we know that our struggle is nothing without your struggle. The YCL in particular, we know we cannot even win anything without the comrades of Swaziland. We're going to continue to fight pressure now. But not only that, Namaboda, in terms of economy, so we see Lapo fighting and continuing to fight. We'll be there with whatever strategy that you need. Ezwaziwayo setsenwang nalezi ezingazaziwa ukuthi sikhona ukuqhubeka siqhubeke ngale mpi esibuyo until the liberation of the people of Swaziland has
kokugcina before ngikudedela comrade eMaswati afuna kwathi uthi njengoba alwa because some other people are discouraging them. Can you please tell them, do you see Mswazi asuke esihlalweni wena eMaswati atibusa noma nawe uthi this thing is impossible?
Definitely izoyenzeka izoyenzeka manje ngapheli moya nthina lento soyenza soqhubeka nathi sincede ukuthi singapheli moya. Yazi ukuthi kuyayenzeka umzabalazo nala eSouth Africa by the way beba stop abantu bathi no anyeke yenzeka inkululeko anyeke lithole. Yazi yaqala iMK but no anyeke yenzeka because we went for a long time before sikhona ukuthola inkululeko yethu. But comrades, it must never stop. There's international solidarity ezoza from us futhi thina akusi international singabazala ngithi sonke, in fact sonke usiphomelisa lamana nokulamana. We are just a family and we continue to do that. The one thing is hosafelwa moya ungaphelwa amandla noma kunini at any time comrades, because noma kunzima kanjani noma kulinya abantu balimala ngiyazi ukuthi kubuhlungu mara lisuseni inyembezi niqhubeke nina because if I need ngiyakutshela for generations and generations nizoyiregreta lento leyo. So asiqhubekeni noma kunjani silweni simtsheleni iqiniso uMswati ukuthi asifuna lezi zinto.
Siyabonga kakhulu comrade. Asimtsheleni Mswati ukuthi asifuni lento ayizayo, asiqhubekeni isilwe noma kunzima kangakanani. Nangu comrade from Eswatini. Comrade ngicela igama lakho comrade.
My name is Tabiso.
Comrade Tabiso Simelane from Eswatini. Comrade siyakubingelela ku Swaziland News.
Ngiyabingelela kini mina baka Swaziland News ngibingelela naMaswati ekhaya.
Mholi Maswati afuna kwathi uthi nifunani lana neSwatini ePitoli.
We're here to actually show solidarity with the entire Eswatini. EUED, Nehau, COSATU is actually showing international solidarity with Eswatini in their quest to fight for freedom. So nali phakama ke live sithi ngeke sisalele emuva because if you look at our charter as Iswalimo, we are advocating for freedom in Eswatini. We are advocating for ukuthi Eswatini akhululeke from the tough grip of the current regime. So we had to come here and represent our aspirations in Eswatini of freedom, of equality, freedom to speech, to express themselves. As you can see, as we know, Unema MPs that are arrested because they express the aspirations of the Swazis. So we are here to fight for Ingululego Eswatini in everything, in healthcare, in education, in many aspects of life.
Ungathini nje kuMaswati lesiwalulwa konjengamanje lo ngakukhutsata ukuthi aMaswati aseke kuba ma struggle fighters social media ubatshele ukuthi ma UED ibita eMaswati eSouth Africa abete ngobuningi yini lo ngabatshela kona nje ukuthi Maswati wotani indlela inkululeko yena.
Well, Nagetfu, what I would say is that Eswatini right now are engulfed by fear. there is a fear and there is a serious element of discouragement of the fact that it is not possible. It can never be possible. But I would like to say that it's possible. It's going to be doable. We've seen it happening across the world. It happened right here in South Africa. It seemed impossible to fight the regime of the apartheid, but it actually eventually happened. So we would like to retaliate the fact that when we come together as the mass democratic movement, we are going to conquer, we're going to fight the mighty Mswati that is actually exploiting the lives of Maswati since 1840 when they took over from Makhanzambili, from Maswati, from Bomasego. And we're saying that it's said that when they got the responsibility was bestowed upon them by God, they actually played with that opportunity. So we feel ukuthi isikhathi ukuthi nyalo eMaswati asukume sihlanganeni silwe ngekuthemba lokuthi uNkulunkulu right now ungakithi ukuthi asinqobela nathi nakumele sisukume kufanele sisukume, because prayer alone will never help. Being hopeful alone will not help. No one is going to fight your battles on your behalf. You have to stand up and fight for your rights.
Stand up and fight for your right. Ngeke siphumelele singakatilweli nang comrade Payazi from we Swaziland Communist Party
of Swaziland.
Yes, comrades siyakubingelela comrade Payazi. Ungathini kumaswathi lasekhaya ubatshele ukuthi bekwenteka nePitoli ikhona imicukela phambili ngokubona kwakho noma sidlala ngesikhathi nje.
Ya lapha to bakhumbuda laba base commission, high commission in Swaziland la ePretoria, kodwa besingasike sodwa besema comrades e South Africa iCOSATU SACP ineHow and nawamanye ama comrades beketile to support and basitshengisa isolidarity nathi bathi ke bona bangema South Africans angeke bakhone ukuthi ba enjoy idemocracy even la kube la ka next door kubulawa bantu ngalendlela, kube next door sengabe khona idemocracy. Nathi si Communist Party sihlangana wonke ama organizations aseSwatini, Kudemo, Swalimo, NNLC, UED and all of us. We are saying together we must unite and unite in principle and the principled unity in order to wage a relentless struggle against the absolute monarchy towards democracy.
Asatlamahle bathi asithubekeni silweni sibingelele ku-IB ngihle ngithi ngi-BI mina IB nawo masoda afuna ukubona lana umsebenzi lomuhle lenendako njengeSwatini Diaspora
kumela abantu obona kahle ukuthi
bafuna kuva lokuthi kuphi bayabuta labanye bathi kuphi lana High Commission of the Swaziland Kingdom. IB yini longatshela eMaswati kona nje ukuthi utiva unjani nje namhlanje lokubese sePitoli ukuthi umsebenzi lo uhambe kahle?
Hayi umsebenzi uhambe kahle kakhulu Maswati akithi simmelele lapha inhlangano tonke betikhona i-United Eswatini Diaspora beyikhona, iSwalimo beyikhona, iKudemo ikhona, ama-communists akhona, then nema-comrade ethu COSATU neHow nemaphoyisa bekhona supporta ala South Africa konke kuhambe kahle kakhulu ma-comrades. Sibonga nje i-unity nekokuthi-ke sikhonile ukuthela umhlaba namhlanje ukuthi inkululeko sitayilwela and inkululeko sitayithola. Uyathanza Mswati nefamily yakhe noba kathanzi kodwa sitayithola inkululeko. Asichubekeni ngekubambana njalo usibambana kakhulu ngala siyanxusa ukuthi nangalapha ekhaya kagogo Maswati lamahle bambanani i-unity sitawusenda ukuthi sibe strong and through that sitayinqoba lembi ungasiko kudzala ama-comrades. Siyahamba ke siya eMbombela lapho i-Royal Leopards idlala khona njalo kuniyati ukuthi this is a killer squad yamswati. Siyakhona ke eMbombela ngelisonto siyabe siphelele khona nani futhi ningeda ama-comrades nisuke lapha eSwatini nasibuya lapho siya ku-Orlando Pirates, then khona manje ngabo March April siya ku-border blockades, then sitaphinze futhi si-7 April 12 1973 angakapheli April. Hayi we are turning up the volume ma-comrades, we are turning up the volume. Amandla
siyabonga kakhulu comrade.
Siyabonga kakhulu comrade. So have you got that one uyifakile
siyabonga Maswati lamate sesiyahamba sesiyemakhaya nitsale kahle alutha continue amandla.